We are read from Luke 1, 39 to 45. Mary get ready and make case go one town in the hilly part of Judah. When she reach, she go to Zachariah house and go in go tell Elizabeth howdy. As Elizabeth hear Mary say howdy so, the baby in her belly jump. And the Holy Spirit take control of Elizabeth and she bawl out loud. You're blessed more than all other women, and the picnic in your belly blessed too. Oh, me bless so that the mother of my Lord come look for me. As you talk so, perhaps my baby jump in my belly cause him happy. You're blessed cause you believe what the Lord say are going to happen. Luke 1, 39 to 45.